Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the higher time frame, specifically monthly and weekly time frames for the basic attention token. Now, as always, our key level criteria is what we look for: swing highs, swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So let's go ahead and dive right in. First off, we can plot our swing high. As always, color coordinate the level with the time frame. We also see another high right here where price reversed drastically before coming back up, and we see these long wicks also reacting to the levels, but we had a fake out from this level and price broke back down. So we also notice a level of support here. So let's plot that in. As price had multiple rejections from this wick, these wicks, and these wicks over here, which acted as resistance and support with multiple rejections or multiple reactions per se. If we look over here, we can see price has established a swing low. So the lowest point swing has reached, and we see multiple rejections from this key level. Now let's go ahead and hop into the weekly and see what else we can find. Now the first thing I see is multiple rejections to a key level right here, which we're going to draw in a zone. Remembering that all key levels should be looked at as an area of price, because price does not stop on a set price. Like when price comes down, it will not automatically stop at 0.6119. Price will react in the area of this price, but not on the set price. So here we draw in a zone because we can see candle closes here and we can see candle closes here, all getting rejected from the same level. As well, we see candle wicks reacting to the level. This candle close is just above, but we see the long wick reacting to the level. We also see long wicks reacting to the level here, showing multiple reactions, acted as support and resistance, and it is obvious to spot at a glance of our chart. So another level that we can plot is the swing high on the weekly. Now, what do we see here? We notice this long wick reacting to the level as the highest point price got, and we see candle closes at the same key level. So, since the wick traveled this far on the first time price rose this high, we could have plotted a line here, and as price came back up, we would expect to see a reaction, as this is the highest point price got, meaning it's very expensive. So, demand at this level may be less than supply. As we can see here, supply outweighed demand and price fell. Now, if we look at our most recent price action, what can we see? Well, we do see a swing high here. And if we can see, price has actually reacted to this level multiple times. We see a rejection here, a rejection here. We see long wicks reacting to it, acting as support, and our rejection here on the most recent time frame. So we see multiple reactions acted as support and resistance, and it is obvious to spot. So we can see that price established a support level here, but it looks like price is breaking through. Now, one thing to keep in mind is there's volume is low at this level. So it could be a fake out because we do have this long wick all the way down here, as price could retrace all the way down to the lowest point here, as we've seen price go up to the top of our wick over here, and we've seen a reaction at the same level. So the same thing could be happening here at this level. As we see the wick reacting to this level, we may see it react to this level. So let's zoom on our chart and see all the key levels that we have. Now, these are all our key levels plotted on the chart. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you got some value out of it, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for daily videos like this.